Hello fashionistas, welcome back to another time of gorgeous African fashion designs here on Dockie's Fashion. This is your go-to place anytime you want to look good, you want to look fabulous, you want to look your best, so those memorable events. In this particular video, I bring you a beautiful compilation of beautiful, very trendy and classy designs of funeral skirts and blouse designs. These styles are just very classy that you can rock and look your best to that funeral event. Are you looking for the latest black designs? You are going to get them in different designs, very classy designs. How about those that come in red, bold print designs? Those that are sewn in those fabrics, red fabrics too, you are going to be sorted out in this video. How about you are looking for black and white for funeral Thanksgiving? You are also going to be sorted out in this particular video. So all you have to do is to sit back, relax, and enjoy this video to the end. If you are a fashion designer looking for something to actually inspire you to bring out your own beautiful collections, these designs will inspire you to bring those beautiful designs to life. If you are also a fashionista, you want to look your best, you want to look good to that funeral event, this is definitely the designs for you. So special credit to all the fashion designers that have actually put these dresses together. You know, they are very creative designs and we do not take their work for granted. To all the beautiful ladies that have worn these dresses to their best, we say work well done to each and every one of them. If you want any of these designs, all you have to do is to take a screenshot and start running to your fashion designer. They are going to give you a beautiful recreation to look your best. I'll see you in my next video. Like this video, share it with friends, and make sure you subscribe for more. I'll see you next time. It's bye-bye.